Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is my favorite time of the week. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and we are decluttering before Christmas. Please check out the amazing creators in the playlist of Tiny Tidy Tuesday for all kinds of great cleaning inspiration. Okay, me and Oscar, we're going through totes because we're going to clean up some stuff before Christmas. Okay, this is a box of these fence panels, and I never knew what to do with them, so I'm going to let them go. Here's some ribbon. I always thought it was ugly. I'm going to let it go. I think I'll keep this. I'm going to let this go. Navy blue isn't my color, really. This is a bunch of spring craft supplies. I'm going to keep this because I still DIY. So that'll go back in my craft room. I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to let this go. I'm going to let this go because that's not my color either. I'm going to let this go. I'm going to keep that for now. I'm going to let this go. I might keep that for now. I'm going to let this go. I am decluttering to get rid of some stuff so the house isn't so cluttered. That goes on a wreath. I'm gonna let that go. I may keep this for now. There's another one that goes on that wreath. I'm gonna let this go. I'm gonna let this go. I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna let this go too. Well, I guess I can let this go. Looky here. Oh. The ribbon's just not wound on the spool. I guess I'll just wind it up. I'm gonna keep it because I use this color a lot. And Oscar said, "My goodness, Mom, you're making a mess." And I'm blind. I can't even see what you're doing, thank goodness. I'm gonna let this go. Gonna let that go. I'm keeping the watermelon because it's pretty popular, and the bee stuff, and that can go because it's just a, yeah, that can go. Well, I guess. Let this go. I don't use that very much. And the rest I can put into another tote. And I think I can get rid of that one. This bag I think I'm saving the most of it. Yeah, because this is just stuff that I can DIY with for spring. Little ornaments and different things that I can DIY with for the spring. Little bunny butts and stuff for Easter. I'm going to keep that. I'll just put that. Okay, we're still decluttering before Christmas. And I have a bunch of stuff I need to go through and see if I can get rid of. This I can get rid of. Some I'm gonna save for a garage sale. Others some of it I'll keep, but a lot of it I'm gonna get rid of before Christmas. I think I'll toss that in there. I'll keep that. I'll keep that. I'll keep those. I'm going to keep this because this is very popular. And I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this. And of course this. And of course this I'll keep. Let's see what we can get rid of. I'm going to get rid of this. Let this one go. That's a definite. I think I'm going to let that one go. I may even let that one go. This one I'm not sure about. Oh, there's where all my tools went. I definitely can't get rid of those. And I think that's my husband's. There's my glue sticks. I can't get rid of those either. I don't know what this is. Oh, wow. I didn't even know I had these. Those would be pretty for future tablescapes. I didn't even remember I had them. And I think these forks I can throw in the get rid of pile. Because I only do a tablescape for 2. And the rest I can put away in my craft room. I got rid of over half. And this, I think I'm going to organize them in an organizer.